Step number 4. Now that the students are logged in, we want to look and ensure that they're being read online. To do that, we go over to Clickers with the cursor and click on it. And what it does is it will show us every single student that is currently active and anyone that's not signed in. Since we have all 3 students for our class that are signed in, what we want to do is we want to move over and minimize this by clicking the minimize button. Then what we're going to do is we're going to move our cursor over to Notebook Software 10 and open it by double clicking on it. The smartboard wants to orient itself, so I'm just going to click the X here. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the word File. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to scroll to the word Open, and I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to find my quiz, which in this case is Practice Response. I'm going to click on it, and then move over and click on the word Open. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over here, and I'm going to make my screen a full screen. And now I'm ready to begin my quiz. To begin my quiz, I'm going to move the cursor to the Start button and click on Start. What happens at this time is a timer starts to let you know how long the quiz is taking. You go down to this little box here and go to Next Page, and there's my first question. Now, my students are ready to answer the first question by looking at A, B, or C and selecting one of those 3 letters as their answer and hitting Enter. So students, if you're ready, go ahead and answer the question. As students answer the questions in the upper right hand corner here, it says Received. Okay, in this case it's telling me that 3 students have answered out of 3 possible students. So they've all answered the question. This way you'll know when the students are complete. Okay, all you need to do is repeat the process for each question that you've had by clicking Next Page. Okay, students, you may answer question number 2. Now that my students have answered question number 2, I only have 2 questions in my test, and all I need to do is click the Stop button. Okay, what has happened now is it's showing me the results of that quiz. For question number 1, okay, I had approximately 67% of the students who answered the question correctly, and for question number 2, 100% answered correctly. If you want to scroll through it by clicking the next page, what it will do is it will give you a pie chart to tell you what the answers were for the students. And that's all there is to reading the test results for the test.